run out of hair products or the suddenly becomes too expensive for you to afford? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Divine and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be giving you 5 improvisation acts. 5 improvisation acts when you run out of hair products. So number 1 on our list is your shampoo. If you ever run out of shampoo, well, I have a solution for you today. If you ever run out of shampoo, you could use black soap, African black soap. It strengthens the hair strand. Yes, and especially if your soap contains oil, natural oils like olive oil or other natural ingredients like honey, rose water, and so on. It helps to strengthen your hair, and this also promotes hair growth, so you're not losing and you're not lacking. You could use your shampoo, and if you ever run out of it, you could use your black soap. So number 2 on our list is our conditioner. If you ever run out of conditioner after washing your hair, you could use a natural oil or your regular lotion. If I ever run out of conditioners, I use my coconut oil. After I washed my hair, I put them into sections and apply that on it. So apply this on it. So if you don't have natural oils for now, but I suggest you get at least one. If you don't have natural oils for now, you could use your regular lotion. But mind you, don't use a bleaching cream. If you use a bleaching cream, it could affect your hair color and affect your scalp. So I'm urging you, I'm begging you, don't use a bleaching cream. And if you don't know how to identify bleaching creams, just use natural oils. At least you could get your olive oil in the kitchen. You could use that one. It also helps hair growth. And number 3 on our list is your leave-in conditioner. If you ever run out of leave-in conditioner, you could use your regular lotion. And if you don't have regular lotion, like I said, you could use your normal natural oils like olive oil, almond oil, avocado oil. There are so many. So you could use your natural oils or your regular lotion. Next is hair gel. If you run out of a styling gel, you could use your leave-in conditioner. What you actually do is you get a little water on your hand, like rub them on your palm, then you apply just a little and mix them up, then lay them on your edges, and with an old toothbrush you could brush and lay them down. But this is the bonus tip: when you want to use leave-in conditioner or your styling gel to lay your hair down, you need a satin scarf. After you've laid down your edges, tie your satin scarf round your hair for minimum of 2 to 5 minutes, and you'll see that you get the best results and your hair won't start flying round about. Okay, the last the last, if you run out of a spray bottle, my spray bottle actually melted. I kept hot water inside and it melted. So if you run out of a spray bottle or your spray bottle melts like mine did, you could use your you could reuse your body spray container like this. Or if you don't use body sprays or your container is not reusable, you could get a white tooth comb, dip it inside water, warm water I suggest. But if you don't have warm water, you use cold water. Dip it inside water and comb that section which you want to comb. If it's still tangled, add more water and comb through, and trust me, you'll get the best results. So that's all for today, guys. Please do make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and you could leave your suggestions in the comments. I'll get to you. And if you want, you could follow me on my social media platforms. Thank you.